What is it, Ralph? What is it? What is that, Ralph? What is it? Go get it. Go check it out. Ralph's not sure what that plastic bag is, so he's very cautious. He was staring at it and he had his ears up, so I knew he was confused by it. Go get it. Go check it out. He's still confused. What is that? Is it alive? Let's go look. Come on. Let's check it out. Come on, Ralph. Very cautious. Look at him. What is it, Ralph? Oh, this is hilarious. I've never seen him do this before. Usually, like, if he sees something like that, he'll pick it up and want to tear it into pieces. So I'm a bit shocked. I guess because it was moving in a way that seemed alive. And since I'm telling him to go look at it, he's just not sure. Get it, Ralph. Get it. Come on. Ralph. Come on, Ralph. It's just a plastic bag. Come here, Ralph. Come here. You're so funny. There it goes. Poor Ralphie. None of these turkey puppies want to play with him. He wants to play with these turkey puppies, but none of these jive turkeys wants to play. Anybody want to play? Anybody? I want to play with my dog, Ralphie. He's nice. He's a good boy. Yeah, they don't seem to be interested, Ralph. Not one of them seems to want to play with you. They're all a bunch of jive turkeys, if you ask me. Especially that one. You know, if I was to shoot that turkey, I'd probably get arrested. But that's kind of what I want to do. I want to shoot that turkey and then cook it and then feed it to my dog because he doesn't want to play with my dog. You want to get him, Ralph? I'd let you go, but I'd be afraid he might peck your eyeball out. I don't want him to peck your eyeball, so I'm not going to let you chase him. All right, see you later, jive turkeys. You want some chicken, Ralphs? You do? All right, you're going to have to do some tricks if you want this chicken breast. All right, lay down. Good boy. Roll over. Very good. Sit. Sit. Very good. Here's a big piece. You stay. Huh? Stay. Stay. You stay. Okay, you can have it, puppy. Good boy. Good boy, Ruffy. Ruffy's a good boy. He does all the tricks because he's a good boy. Lay down. Stay. Stay. Okay, good boy. Good boy. And guess what? Now you can have all the chicken. He's gonna eat all the chickens because he's a good dog. Ralphie gonna eat all the chicken. It's gonna be gone in less than a second. Yeah, that's how quick he eats his dinner. Baked chicken breast. It's good, huh?